Some tragic news there coming in from Mumbai's COVID hospital. 13 patients were charred to death early this morning in Vijay Vallabh COVID Care Hospital in Virar, Mumbai. Out of the 17 patients admitted in the ICU, 13 were charred to death after a fire broke out due to short circuit in air conditioner at around 3:15 a.m. Firefighters were rushed to the Mumbai COVID hospital there. They were able to extinguish the fire there by 5:30 a.m. 5 patients were shifted immediately. All patients who lost their lives were all COVID patients.
एक मिनट पूरा स्मोक उधर ओके एक बड़ा फायर ब्रेकअप एक एक्सीडेंटल फायर ब्रेकअप हुआ है।
ओके सर, कितना डेथ है इसमें?
13 डेथ हुआ है।
ओके सर, इसमें कितना पेशेंट अभी हॉस्पिटल में थे और कितना पेशेंट को दूसरी जगह पे हुआ?
हाँ, अभी 90 और पेशेंट हमारे हॉस्पिटल में थे। 90 पेशेंट्स 90 अराउंड 90 पेशेंट्स हमारे हॉस्पिटल में थे। ओके एंड जो भी अभी जो दूसरे पेशेंट्स को हम लोग ने दूसरा हॉस्पिटल जिसको ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है उनको तो अभी हम ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, वो प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गया।
क्या हुआ था जो आग लगी?
एक आई मीन ICU से कुछ फायर नीचे बॉल ऑफ फायर जैसा गिरा और सडनली एक 2 मिनट में कंप्लीट स्मोक होकर हुआ है।
Mustafa joining us live for more details on that. Mustafa, take us through this tragic story. We hear that 13 people have been charred to death, all COVID patients. How did the fire catch on? These patients were caught unaware. When did the hospital wake up? When did the fire tenders rush in? And how are the other patients who are currently injured doing?
Nabila, the incident has happened just at 3:30 a.m. This morning, early morning, and there were 17 patients in total in this Vasai hospital. And they were all COVID patients in ICU. Vasai Virar is an area outside on the outskirts of Mumbai, and this tragic incident, prima facie, we believe that it happened due to a short circuit. Now, what one has to understand is that it seems that looking at these incidences that no hospitals were prepared, or it was unprecedented for them to handle these kind of crowds or this kind of patients. That only can justify this short circuits and this fall of infrastructure, because intensive care unit is a place where a patient has to be given intensive care. If the electrical work of that area is compromised and people and patients who are already critical dying of suffocation, of burn injuries, then it is a very unfortunate part for the health infrastructure, which seems to be happening right now. And prima facie reason has been given, short circuit. What was the exact reason and whether fire audit was done or not, these are things which will come out in later investigations.
Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Our condolences going to all those who've lost their lives. Here we're looking at least 13 patients, COVID patients, who were in this hospital. Now, this hospital is not a COVID facility. It turned around to be a COVID facility only to accommodate those and the overwhelming crowds coming in for COVID treatment. This hospital, Vijay Vallabh in Virar, turned around to a COVID hospital. Now in the ICU, the fire caught on after an AC resulted in a short circuit, and 13 patients have been charred to death.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.